Hello viewers, here is a Windmere 16-inch oscillating pedestal fan. This is a very long overdue video request for the Eric. He wanted to see this fan. Let's see what the model number is here. The model number is the SF-16H. Unfortunately, made in the China. Ooh, made in China. Okay, great. By Paragon Industries. I know I did some videos of this fan when I first got it. I guess I only did the service and repair video, and I never did like a just regular demonstration video. This was a trash find, and it was just the bearings was locked up. And then as I was repairing it, the bearing situation, I slipped the screwdriver and nicked the windings. And I thought that was going to be the end of it. I can't believe I was able to salvage it. I was able to revarnish the windings, and it didn't short out. So I think it's fine. I used it quite a bit and it was fine. I think it will continue to be fine. But that was a really close call. This fan definitely has a lot of lives. Anyways, I've always been a big fan of Windmere stuff. My aunt and uncle had a Windmere pedestal, not a pedestal fan, just like a regular table fan years ago, and I always was very intrigued by that fan. They still have it, and I've got a video of it. I forget what the model number was, but ever since that I've always kind of liked Windmere. Almost anything Windmere I find kind of interesting. And so this was one of those pieces, and for free it was a winner. The only thing that's wrong with it is the stand is missing one of the feet. Otherwise it's in quite good condition. I don't know what plastic this was made out of, but it was definitely a kind that doesn't yellow very easily, because even the cord is kind of yellowed. But it looks pretty nice all the way around. A little bit of rust on the on the guards, but not much. Not much at all. For something that was in the trash, it certainly looks pretty nice. The Windmere logo, which is also still in pretty good condition. The blades are translucent. They're like a dark gray kind of color. Let me get this plugged in here. The cord is not polarized, so it's got to be old enough to be before the polarization boom. I would say this is probably a product of the 90s. Anyways, I got my cord out here, and I'll plug this in. I should have done this before the video. Oh well. Okay, it's plugged in now, and I'll try to get the camera out of the windstream, and I'll start it up on the low. The motor is very quiet. In fact, the fan overall is very quiet. I remember using this when I was working at home and I had to be talking on the phone all day. This was one of the fans that I had used during that period of time, and it worked out very well. It's quite powerful even on low. I'm standing 3 or 4 feet back and there's a strong breeze. This is bent. Why didn't I fix that before? Oh, now I know why I didn't fix that before. That's really strong. I'll have to get a tool to fix that later. Alright, we'll test the oscillations. They were a little jerky coming back from the left side, but it is working. I never really used the oscillations, so that's probably why I probably just never lubricated it when I was doing the service. Okay, let's go up to the medium. Pretty good increase in speed. Certainly moving plenty of air. And let's go to the high. Quite powerful. And it's not that loud either. Showing quite a nice breeze. And it's a very constant stream of air too. Some fans are kind of more like a gusty breeze. This is a very steady breeze. The off. I remember the spin down being very good. Those bearings are definitely happy now.